stars, see the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you.
What's up, kinfolks, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video, of course you can tell by the title, we are getting into some makeup, so let's jump right into it. We are starting off by using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer to prime our face. Y'all, we don't want our makeup going anywhere, and this primer right here is bomb.com. Next, I'm going to be going in with Bite Cosmetics Change Maker Foundation. I'm not sure if this is my first time using this foundation on this channel or not. I will say I do like the shade of this foundation, which the shade is T130. Like I said, I like the shade. It matches my skin tone perfectly. However, this wasn't giving me my normal matte finish that I like. Everything else was cool, but I like for my foundation to be more mattifying, just because my skin sometimes is dry, sometimes it's oily. Like, it's a nice little combination, but I like for my makeup to be on all day, so I typically go with mattifying stuff. But anyways, you guys, the concealer that we are going to be using today is the Milk Cosmetics concealer. At the moment I can't remember the shade, but I will link it in the description box down below for you guys. So yeah, y'all know where we like to add concealer if this isn't your first time here, but in case you are new, we like to do the underneath our eyes, the bridge of our nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and our chin. And with this look, because it is a more bolder look, I like to put concealer underneath my cheekbones just to highlight and lift them a little bit more. You know, I like for my face to, you know, to give me that chisel look, you know. But anyways, you guys, I do like to use a brush to blend out my concealer. Now, I was asked this question on a previous video: why do I like to use a brush over a beauty blender? I like to use a brush because for me it gives a more smoother finish. You know, I don't like to beat anything into my face. I just like everything nice and soft, and you know, the brush just kind of does it for me. You know, I've already got small features on my face, so you know, I need a small brush so that I can be able to control my product a little bit more, you know. But you guys, that Milk Cosmetics concealer was not doing it for me, so I did have to go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. Now, if you are an OG on the channel, y'all know I'm a ride hard. I'm a die hard or ride hard, whatever it is. I'm a die hard fan for the Fenty Beauty Cosmetics, y'all. This right here is giving luxury on the skin, and that's what I like. Okay, that's what I like. After blending out our concealer, we are going to go in with the OS Pink Powder by Patrick Starr, or yeah, this is by Patrick Starr. I was gonna say by one size, but one size is Patrick Starr. Oh my god, look at me. But anyways, you guys, I like to go in and add powder to all of the places that I added my concealer. This is going to set our concealer, make sure it goes nowhere throughout the day, no crease, no nothing. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and use a sponge. Okay, I love this sponge. It's very affordable. It's off of Amazon. I will link it in the description box down below, like I did in the last video. Okay, but y'all, this sponge is everything, and it is meant to be used for your powder. It has everything going on smooth, not too much, not too less. You can bend it, you can flip it, flex it. Y'all, get this sponge. I think it's like $3 or $4 for a whole pack. Please click the link in the description box down below and go and get you one. The next shade that we're going to be going in with is a Mented Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Yacht Life. Y'all know, next to the Fenty Beauty, this right here is my shade, okay? As you can see, this product is very pigmented, but I don't mind that. It's still just bronzing me up the way that I need to be bronzed up. And I think this is like kind of more so like my natural color, maybe a shade darker, so you know, ain't too far off. But y'all, we're just gonna do a little round robin around the face, highlighting and contouring the cheekbones, and then just kind of going around the face and just making sure everything is nice and blended, okay? Now the camera did stop as I was filming, so I didn't get to show you guys, but to prime the eyes, I am using the P. Louise base in the shade white, okay? Now y'all, for eyeshadow, the palette that we are going to be going in with is the Morphe palette. Of course, I can't remember the exact name of the palette. We'll link it in the description box down below. But to start off, we are going to be going in with the shade called Nude Swim. It is at the top. I like it because it serves as a really good transition shade. So that's what we need. We need good transition every season, fall type of color. We need that. Now, after going in with Nude Swim, we are going to be going in with the shade Midnight Splash and just adding that to our outer corner lid just to add some color, y'all. This right here, this blue seems like it's a lot on the eye, but trust me, once we blend it out and add some more color to the lid, baby, this blue is gonna be everything. So as you can see, I'm doing tapping motions, and then I'm using my brush to blend out the product in a windshield wiper type of motion, okay? Now I did take that blue and also add it to the under eye. Y'all know I'm not big on like eyeliner or anything like that, but I just feel like when you add eyeshadow to the under eye, it just brings the look all the way together, okay? Now you guys, now that we have finished using that blue, we are going to go in with the shade Twilight Spark. Y'all, this shade right here is giving nude, but it's giving very, you know, glamorous. It's natural. I like it. I can see myself wearing this color by itself and then also pairing it with a lot of other colors as well. But as you guys can see, your girl is just taking that brush that I had before and just kind of like going through it and buffing out the edges just so that everything just blends together and comes together the way that it needs to, all right? And then y'all know your girl still has not gotten new mascara. We'll be trying to do that here soon, so maybe like a little haul or something, so y'all keep a lookout on the vlog for that. But we just added mascara to both the top and the bottom lashes, and then we went ahead and added some lashes on top. And per usual, I can never remember the lashes that I'm using, but I will link it in the description box down below once I like find the case or something like that, okay? But y'all, as far as highlighter is concerned, we are going to go in with the Sephora Duo highlighter. Can't remember neither one of the shades at the moment, but you can find it in the description box down below. I like this highlighter because it's giving very everyday, very natural, not too much. I mean, the eyes is already doing a lot, so I don't want to put a bunch of highlighter on and be looking like a disco ball out here, okay? So yeah, y'all, take it easy. If you got a lot on the eyes, go easy on the highlighter. But y'all, I really did not mean to use this pink, but because it was already on my face, I had to just roll with it. The pink is very summery. We're not in the summer, but the blush still kind of brought the look together. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. But the blush that we are using is from Pretty Vulgar, all right? Now, as far as the lips is concerned, I did try to use brown lip liner, however was not working, so I had to go in with black, but it didn't stop the show. The lip is still gonna be lipping, trust the process. But anyways, y'all, this is the look right here. I want to thank y'all so much for stopping by my channel, hanging out with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And of course, until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, kinfolks, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.
Together with you, it's written in the